guys, Mopar405 here. We are back at it again with another video. Please bear with me on this lighting and this video quality. I'm actually using my iPhone because my GoPro doesn't have a front-facing camera, so I can't really see what I'm recording. So usually when I'm recording on my GoPro, I just gotta bear with it and hope it's recording what I want it to record. So please bear with me on the quality. Please let me know in the comments below if this is better quality than my GoPro, if you want me to start recording my videos on here instead of the GoPro. And ignore the backdrop wrinkles and everything. I just now finally got it set up, so I need to use a steamer to get all the wrinkles out. I usually do photography on the side, so finally got that set up. And ignore the lighting. I've got a sheet over the window trying to help with the glares and everything, so it doesn't have to keep focusing in on me. So today we are back at it again. Going to actually do an unboxing video. So right here I actually have a big box right here. It's pretty big, and there should be two things in this big box right here. And this little box right here, this isn't a box. This little bag right here is another unboxing that I'm doing. All of this stuff right here is geared towards my Challenger. So I actually ordered some, supposed to be I think all-weather floor mats for my car. And then this is actually supposed to be some fender badges. I currently have the 345 Hemi badges on it now, all black. But I kind of wanted to add a little color to it, so I got the red and black ones. So we'll see what those look like. Hopefully this stuff is good. So first I'm going to start out with the fender badges, is what this is supposed to be. So all right, here it is, a box. Let me get it up to the camera for you guys. Here we go. 345 Hemi. If you can see that. Oh, the stupid stuff is sticking. Why? No. That stuff better come off. Look at that. The adhesive from the freaking plastic on top of it. Oh, come on. You better. No. Ah! It's gonna be okay. I can just rub it out. But here's what it looks like again. Here's a better picture. 345 Hemi. Actually looks like it's pretty good quality. This set of badges, it's okay, but on this set of badges, it's crap. So I might have to contact Amazon. I'm really mad right now. So, oh geez. That's what it looks like. I love it. Great quality. Awesome. I'll be putting this sucker on today probably, and I'll be shooting the clip of that also in this video. Awesome. Love it. I actually like that a lot. Basically it's like the WeatherTech ones where it's like spill proof, clean proof. Got big little sections right here, so it's an easy cleanup. They're both the same size. I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, they're both the left and right back seat. Driver's seat right here. Driver's seat. But bam. It's actually really nice quality. I like it. Really thick rubber. Passenger floor mat right here. Good quality. It's got the little spaces to secure it in the floor. Awesome. I love it. These two things came out awesome. We are going to actually test these floor mats out in the car, make sure they fit. Hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing right here. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out, and God bless. Here we go. What is up, guys? It is actually the very next day, and I actually did not have time to install my two items that I received yesterday. So that is why today I'm in different clothes, better quality, because I'm actually outside. So we are actually, first we're gonna actually install my move over sign, which is this bad boy right here. It's gonna look good. I can't wait to install it. I can't wait for y'all to see it. I can finally get rid of my bubblegum stupid is as stupid does front tag, bright yellow, doesn't even go with my car. So hope y'all enjoy this little install for this little simple, not really modification, but sit back, relax, and enjoy this. Just a little update on the 345 Hemi badges. Last night I got in contact with Amazon customer service. and I gotta give them props, man. 100% great customer service. They were actually able to not really refund me, but send me a shipping label so I can ship out the the defective Hemi badges like you saw in the clips before, that the adhesive really stuck to it and it really defected the product. So they actually confirmed a new shipment of the Hemi badges that should be here this Saturday, the 9th, if I'm not mistaken. So I can't wait for that, and when those come in, I'll definitely be doing another video of the install of those. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Keep watching. Alright guys, here's what she looks like. This is what it looks like when you look at it straight ahead. Move over, it looks like EVOM REVO. But of course, when you see it in your rear view, it's going to say move over. So that means get out my beep way. Alright, I love it. I love it. It looks good. I know this quality's kind of got a little bad lighting to it right here. That's what it looks like. I like it. Good quality. Alright guys, we finally got the move over license plate looking A1. It looks fresh. I like it. Gives the car an overall 10 times better appearance. I love it, man. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the floor mats. So sit back, relax. I know I keep saying that, but just do it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, man. Hope y'all are liking it so far. Peace out, man. Here we go. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I really enjoyed it. The unboxing, the move over license plate, the floor mats. Man, I enjoyed it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have, make sure you like this video, share it with everyone you know. I plan on doing some more videos like this. I really enjoyed it, man. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace out and God bless.